not visit their loved ones at their gravesites again because all were taken by the water. The administration of and operations of the Volta Dam and Lake are governed by these enactments. These are the laws. So all these structures, all that we are talking plenty. So before the dam was made, this was the act passed in our parliament, the first parliament then. Volta River Development Act 1961 and 46, section 33 for the lake. So out of the whole act, section 43 was dedicated to the lake management. Then came the floating of a company to manage the ports. Then they passed an airline. You see, act is different from airline. The act was done in 1961 to bring into being the dam and its offsprings. But when they realized they wanted a company to manage the traffic, they have to go deep into the law again and come up with a secondary law to allow the Akosombo ports, as I said, to be on their own autonomous. So they are governed by Regulation 862 of 1974. See. So the laws that govern them are important. I think someone in my notes are giving you copies of the laws. So, we'll treat the laws anyway. Consider water as a source of conflict always. Agropolitics. That's what I was discussing with you. Then let's any questions so far? This is another subtopic altogether. Very important, so pay attention to it. I prefer giving this one as to be as an assignment than the first one. Yes.
This one is. We prefer this one.
Please, do you understand the subtopic? Why water bodies are dangerous to navigate? Some of them are there. They have got the features we discussed, but they are still dangerous to navigate. You get it? You see, don't confuse your lack of the features that don't make them navigable. The features are there, but there's certain extras that makes them a no-go area. Do you understand it? Yes, so let's look at the features of that. Constant flooding. That means that water body is always, the volume is full. If the water is flooding constantly, can you do any economic activity on it? So, water bodies that are constantly flooding are dangerous to navigate. Yes. Volume cause damage to towns, properties and life due to very rapid and high tides. Some freezes in winter, and after the ice melts in spring, it causes flooding. You know when ice melts, water volume increases. Yes. And the unmet ice blocks hidden flow of water, therefore impossible to navigate. So that's one way water bodies are declared dangerous. It's different from lack of features. You get it? When the water is too fast, steep, and too wide. So here the brofo goes. Too much of everything is bad. You can't navigate in it. Then if the water is full of untamed wildlife such as snakes, dolphins, saltwater crocodiles, etc. Some of them have sleeping gods, anacondas, snakes, and rodents. If you go to the Amazon River, these things are there. You see, there are different parts of the river, so you may not know. You might navigate on the same part, then you go and fall into it. Yeah, they will devour you. Yes. Dangerous ravines and gorges. A deep, narrow valley with steep sides. A ravine or a gorge, I've explained, is a deep, narrow valley with steep sides. So if the water is flowing through a deep, narrow valley, you cannot navigate on it. Yes. And cataracts are a very large waterfall. So these are some of the features that makes water bodies dangerous to navigate. So the sea, the weeds that I cited earlier, and it is very common. The weeds are very common on water bodies associated in Ghana. The Volta Lake, you have plenty on it. If you come down to where the pond dam is, the water that was created because of the damming for the pond, weeds have covered it. And I don't know, the government brought a certain thing they call weed harvester. The day they brought it, where it is like that up to today. Then if we have rocks, fogs and frost, constant drought, that water body is also dangerous to navigate. Then we have low bridges, locks and floodgates. These are artificial things. Those ones we discuss about the natural ones, that makes it dangerous. Low bridges, I told you if the bridge cannot be open and closed, then it is a permanent obstacle. Then that water body becomes a nuisance. You cannot navigate it. Locks or no floodgates, you cannot. Then this particular one, pollution by toxicity and radiation from industry, factories, and our own farming activities along the banks. You research, you see a lot of huge rivers in the world, especially China, because they are industrialized. Most of their top huge rivers are heavily polluted. They are always throwing industrial waste, dissipating industrial waste into these rivers. All right. Then, as we said, farming villages, deforestation removes all the windbreaks, expose water body to heat and rapid drought. Then in Ghana, overloading of canoes, rafts and vessels, especially on the Volta Lake. So artificial things that will make the water body dangerous to navigate. So this is what happened. The company that removed the trade stamps, removal of trade stamps in the Volta Lake by collaborated efforts of the Ghana Maritime Authority, Ghana government, and the Kranji Timber Recovery Limited, a subsidiary of ADSO Holdings Incorporated, Volta Lake Timber Survey Project. They've done it, and tomorrow I will show you some videos on it. You see the size, how huge those timbers are. Yeah. So the first time they did it, they published in the Ghanaian Times. Yeah, but last year and this year they have continued surveying. As your colleague has said, they now surveyed over thousands of the tree stamps. Okay. So now, if I give you the assignment to do, why select one water body and tell me why it is dangerous, I would that this is better. Can we do it?
Yes.
That is the assignment. I'll give it to you. So please, these are the areas. The chiefs and people of ENG are as well surrounding communities in the Peru East, and these are the districts they are collaborating with. I express their gratitude to the above named bodies for clearing tree stamps to improve safety on the Volta Lake by clearing navigable channels. This was done on the lake from Yeji to Mankango and Yeji to all these places where you visit and also go port. You know the geography better. The removal shall reduce fatalities on the lake for both traders and fishers. It added transportation infrastructure of country and protection of the ecosystem. By this venture, the potential of the Volta Lake shall improve and enhance the social and economic well-being of the nation, which was tremendous. The company was inaugurated by a friend in the short run. In 2018, Plantation this project, which employs cutting-edge proprietary technology known as the Shark TM in salvaging dead timber and stumps from the lake. We'll end here. This is another topic altogether. This also talks about the conflict between in the Bakassi Peninsula. You see, I told you I'll deal with issues in Ghana and in Africa that are going. We shall go to the outside world, Europe and America. We'll do them. You see videos of them. Okay. So your assignment will be around this. Why water bodies are dangerous. I've given each group the area to choose one water body from. Some group will choose from Europe, one group will choose from South America, one group will choose from China, one group will choose from West Africa, Then the other group will choose from
Australia.
no.
Egypt.
So if you don't mind, after those one I have tagged on, I can give you the groups because I've written the group names on it. So that is so that you start working on it the earlier the better.
Yes.
So anyway, any questions so far? So that we end here today. Then we'll continue from here. Yes.
Mentioning cotton.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Cotton leaves.
I asked you what was cutting late. Nobody answered it. I'm also quiet.
I don't know, that's why.
The white part of
You said
the white part
the white part of cotton. Correct. You see, if you see cotton, he's talking about if you see cotton in this natural state, not that they converted it into. Yeah, you know it's white. Then you see the seed very brownish, tiny down there. So that white fluffy part is what we call the cotton leaves.